to repair or replace a broken element. New one. We're gonna thread it on just like it was from the factory. So first I start here. My starting point. And slowly thread. Just pushing the spring right into these little slots here, like so. You definitely want to do it the same way that it was at the factory, because we want the heat to distribute evenly throughout this element. So I'm going to do one side and I'll show you guys what the new one will look like. Okay, so this is the new one. See that? And this is the old one still in the back. We're going to work our way down to this section right now. So this has these little tabs here that you need to bend like so, so the element does not come out of this slot. Okay. Now let's take off the rest. This is the old, because it broke in two. Let's take this off. So that's the old one. Okay. And then we want twist this over. So it goes into the slots like so. See that? So it will not move. These are ceramic pieces. They withstand the heat. And then I just line it up to make sure that I have enough heat. Now, the most important part about this repair is that the heating element does not touch any metal around it. That's why those ceramic pieces are there for, to prevent the element from touching any metal around the heater. And also, we don't want the spring itself to touch itself. The element can burn out much faster. So I get rid of all the lint, and here is my new heater. Okay. Some of these are different. This one just happens to slide in like so. Okay. Like so. Slide that in there. Okay. And then, most importantly, you want to check inside here to make sure that the heater is not touching this housing.